In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the project where you want the audio to be added, because the recording will be placed within that specific design or video workflow. If you already have multiple pages in your project, it's a good idea to quickly confirm you're working in the correct one before you begin. Next, select the page where you want your recorded audio to appear. This part is important because Adobe Express will attach the voice recording to the page you have active at the time. If your project includes several scenes or slides, choosing the right page first can save you time and prevent having to move things around later. Once the correct page is selected, go over to the left panel and look for Add Content. Hover over it, then choose Media. This will open the media options you'll need for inserting audio into your project. If you're new to Adobe Express, this area is where you can usually access different types of creative assets, so it's useful to get familiar with it. Inside the media panel, click on the Music tab. Even though you're recording your own voice rather than adding a song, this is where the voice recording feature is located. So if it feels slightly unexpected, that's normal. In the Music tab, look for the Record VoiceOver button and click it. At this point, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. If that happens, allow access so Adobe Express can capture your audio. If you don't grant permission, the recording feature won't be able to work. After that, look again to the left panel. You'll have the option to choose a microphone using the first drop-down menu, which is helpful if you have more than one input device connected. You may also see an option to enable enhanced speech. This can be useful if you want your voice to sound cleaner and more polished, especially for tutorials, presentations, or narrated content. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Adobe Express will give you a 3-second countdown before it begins, which gives you a moment to prepare. Speak clearly and at a steady pace while you record. Once you're finished, click Finish Recording, and that's it. Your audio has now been recorded in Adobe Express. From here, you can continue editing your project and make sure everything lines up the way you want.